Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Arc Raiders issue. So let's start. For the first step, go to the Windows taskbar right here, right click and select Task Manager. In the search, type in the launcher that you have the game on, for me Steam. If you do find it running in the background, just go to Steam 32-bit, right click and select End Task to make sure that it's not running anymore. For the next step, go to the Windows search bar. After that, type in NVIDIA app. Now once this opens, you just need to sign up with your correct information. After that, go to the left menu and select drivers and click on download and install button right here. Now all you need to do is to click express or custom installation. After that, click continue to start the updating process. Next, go to the Windows icon in the Windows taskbar. After that, go to settings. This will open, so go to the left menu and select Windows Update. Now all you need to do is to install and download the latest Windows updates. If you do have failed updates, make sure to select retry all. You just need to wait for it to finish. After that, make sure to restart your computer. Now for the next step, go to this upside arrow and make sure you have no Steam icon running. If you do find it, right click and then select exit Steam. Wait for a couple of moments and open the launcher once again. Now it will open like this, so go to the navbar in the top left corner and select view. After that, click on library. Now search for the game in the left menu, for example like this. Once you select the Arc Raiders game, you just need to click on this gear icon. After that, click properties. Now go to launch options and type in -DX11. Once you do that, see it if it works. If not, go to installed files in the left menu and click on verify integrity of game files. That way any corrupted or missing file will be correctly fixed. So just wait for the process to finish and hopefully the freezing, the crashing or the launching issue will be correctly fixed. Hope this video is helpful. Consider the like and subscribe button and see you on the next one.